Just a simple physics demo that I kind of came up with using one of these Christmas bubbler light things, involving the temperature of the vapor space above the methylene chloride column in one of these bubbler lights. This I just started about a minute ago, and if I grab a hold of it, note that the bubbling stops. The reason for that is because since this bubbler light hasn't come up to temperature yet, the pressure in this dead space is very low. It's actually near vacuum for purposes of ease of filling these. And when I pinch it, it heats that dead space up, increases the pressure inside the tube, and it cuts down on the ability of the methylene chloride to boil. And now, once the bubbler has come up to temperature, when I grab a hold of it, the boiling gets more vigorous. Because now that the thing is up to temperature and this dead space has warmed up, it's actually warmer than my fingers, and so when I grab a hold of it, my fingers are cooling the dead space, lowering the internal pressure of the tube, and it makes it easier for the methylene chloride to boil. So yeah, just a simple, stupid little physics demo. Because yeah, these things are interesting and actually fairly hard to find, especially in sets. Granted, I'd only use these indoors because, somewhat delicate. And again, methylene chloride, can be a bit poisonous, so don't drink it.